Welcome to Grumpy Grandpa's Grouchery, Redneck series. Today, we're going to be taking an old DeWalt drill. It has the old 18 volt. Let me take this apart. Figure out how to take it apart. Oh yeah, these are the slide out. That's right. That's what I'm doing wrong. There we go. Okay. 1/2 inch old DeWalt drill, 18 volt. Adapter 1. This lets you put the DeWalt 20 volt batteries on the drill. I do not have any of those, but step 1, adapter. Next adapter is DeWalt 20 volt. It goes into there. And underneath of that, guess what mount that is? It said something about Makita 20 volt. But what we're doing is we have these cheaper Chinese or import, however you want to say it, tools that use that mount. They don't tell you that. They don't tell you that it's a Makita 20 volt mount. But guess what? I know it looks funny, but it works. Awesome, right? Because now you have an old drill that people almost throw away, or other DeWalt tools like the Sawzalls, because everybody wants to have that brand new item. And does that brand new item really work any better? The batteries do. And guess what? This is the lithium battery for the Chinese tools, like this kind of stuff. You can pick these up for under 20 bucks a lot of times if you go to some of the import sites and so forth. And if you're a really good shopper like me, you can get them for under 20 bucks with 2 batteries. Now, can you buy 2 DeWalt batteries for 20 bucks? No, not even close. You're going to spend 20 bucks per battery used if you're lucky. So, what is the difference? I haven't had any problem with these batteries. Well, I had one that, you'll notice I labeled this good. I had one that came with another one of these little Sawzalls that I labeled weak. I use it for flashlights. If you use it in a tool, you're lucky to get 5 minutes out of it. But flashlight, hour, whatever. So there you go. There's redneck, the redneck and DeWalt stuff.